Hello everyone. So I recently got a question. Switch from search campaign clicks to maximize conversions, going away over budget. I assume maximize clicks to maximize conversion. Okay, but let me see your question. Hey Ali, hi. I need some help with my current campaign. I was originally on a search campaign optimizing for clicks. Okay, I got it, maximize clicks. You were using it. And I used to get a decent amount, but not that many calls. Google kept telling me they had enough info to switch me to maximize conversions for it get me more sales. To be fair, as soon as I switched it, after a couple of days, I have been getting consistent calls every day. But I have noticed my budget has been going away over every day for the last 3 days continuously. Okay, so that is your budget, and one conversion means your tracking is not fine at all. Okay, okay. I'm running a relatively low budget as I'm just started with my home healthcare business. I'm running at 12.5 per day for the last 3 days. I've been hitting almost 25. From my understanding, it's supposed to average out over the month to around where my daily budget is at. But it's pretty alarming so far. I'm seeing sometimes it bids up to 11 for one click. Call, which is beyond my comfort spend. How can I limit the amount is being spent per click call? Any feedback would be greatly appreciated as your boy is on a very tight budget getting started. Thanks in advance. So first of all, congratulations that you are going to start your campaign, and sad to see few things, and I noticed few things as well. For instance, this shows me that your search partner is on, so I think that the search partner is need to be turned on. Also slightly unrelated, but your search partner option needs to be turned off. Okay, also because it's been few days you have been speaking, your budget is going through your allotted budget. So for the last 3 days, so I will give a week because you have changed your bidding strategy. So I will give a week. Also you are getting more calls, so that is another thing. And the third thing regarding, you said that you want to limit per click. So I'm going to go open the Google Ads account, and then I can show you how you can limit it. Okay, so I'm in one of the Google Ads account to show you how you can limit it. So you just have to go to your campaign settings, because you said that your dollar $11 per click is beyond your budget and you want to limit the amount. So in order to limit your per bid amount, go to settings, and in settings, uh, go to your bidding, go to bidding, and change bid strategy, go to your maximize conversions which you have set. Okay, then set a target cost per action, set a target cost per action, because you said that you cannot afford $11 for one click or call. You can reduce it to your maximum. For instance, you can say that I want to go with $6. Set it over here with $6 over here, and just simply save it over here. This is how you can reduce so per action. That is how you can assume it. And good luck with your it. Also sort your conversion tracking issue. Sort your conversion tracking or call tracking, because it just measured a single call which doesn't seem fair with it. So sort out these things, and be patient and give some time. That is how you're going to win it. So I hope this answers your question query. And for anyone who needs a professional Google Ads management, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company based in UAE. And if you want to hire us, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com, Aarswebs.com as the Google Ads partner company. And you can hire me and my team, and we look forward to working with you in optimizing your sales and conversion with Google Ads. So good luck.